everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home garden decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a trend that is taking the landscaping world by storm, the patio gravel garden. But what exactly does this mean? Simply put, a patio gravel garden is an outdoor living space where traditional paving stones or grass are replaced, either partially or entirely, with loose aggregate like pea shingle, crushed stone, or river rocks. Unlike a standard cold concrete patio, a gravel garden feels more organic and integrated with nature. It acts as a permeable floor for your outdoor room, creating a textured, crunch underfoot experience that bridges the gap between a structured seating area and a wild, lush garden. The benefits of choosing a patio gravel garden are numerous, making it a favorite for both novice and expert gardeners. First and foremost is the incredible drainage it provides. Because gravel is permeable, rainwater soaks directly into the ground, preventing puddles and reducing runoff issues. From a maintenance perspective, it is a total game changer. You can say goodbye to the endless cycle of mowing, fertilizing, and weeding that comes with a traditional lawn. Gravel gardens are also highly cost-effective and flexible. They are much easier and cheaper to install than a poured concrete or high-end stone patio, and you can easily change the shape or size of your garden as your needs evolve. Additionally, they are excellent for the environment, especially in drought-prone areas, as they require significantly less water to keep looking pristine. Decorating a patio gravel garden is all about playing with textures and defining specific zones to create visual interest. To make the space look professional, start by using high-quality edging materials like weathered steel, brick, or natural stone to keep the gravel contained and create clean, crisp lines against your plants or lawn. Incorporate large anchor pieces such as oversized ceramic pots, a rustic wooden bench, or even a sleek fire pit to give the eye a place to rest. Lighting is another crucial element. Use solar-powered path lights or lanterns tucked among the stones to create a magical glow at night. To prevent the area from looking too flat, integrate different sizes of stones, perhaps larger river rocks mixed with smaller pea gravel, to add depth and a sense of natural artistry to your floor design. When it comes to planting in a gravel environment, the key is to choose tough love species that thrive in well-drained soil and don't mind a bit of heat reflection from the stones. Mediterranean herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme are perfect choices because they love the drainage and release a wonderful scent when you walk by. For a more structural and modern look, ornamental grasses like blue fescue or Mexican feather grass add movement and a soft contrast to the hard gravel. Succulents and alpines are also fantastic options, as they nestle beautifully into the nooks between stones. If you want a pop of color, consider drought-tolerant perennials like sedum, euphorbia, or even hardy geraniums. These plants not only survive but actually prefer the lean, gritty conditions of a gravel bed, rewarding you with beauty for very little effort. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best patio gravel garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the modern minimalist border. This design features a sleek, dark gray corrugated edging that perfectly separates a lush green lawn from a vibrant flower bed. The use of pansies and marigolds creates a colorful living wall, effect that keeps the gravel or mulch area looking tidy and intentional. It's a perfect example of how clean lines can make a small garden space feel organized and professionally landscaped. 2. Multi-textured desert oasis. In this layout, we see a beautiful use of dark mulch paired with light-colored stone curbing. The variety of plants, including ornamental grasses and small flowering shrubs, creates a desert chic vibe. The winding shape of the garden bed adds a sense of movement to the backyard, making it feel much larger and more dynamic than a straight-line border would. 3. The seamless indoor-outdoor flow. This stunning idea uses light-colored river pebbles and large accent rocks to ground a modern glass-walled home. By placing succulents and architectural plants directly into the gravel, the garden acts as a natural extension of the interior living room. It's a sophisticated, low-maintenance look that emphasizes texture and neutral tones for a high-end architectural feel. 4. The winding woodland path. Utilizing warm-toned gravel and rusted corten steel edging, this design creates a beautiful organic walkway through a sloped garden. The contrast between the white curved wall and the dark green boxwood hedges demonstrates how gravel can be used to navigate elevation changes while maintaining a soft, natural aesthetic that blends into the surrounding trees. 5. Clean lines and classic curb appeal. This front yard transformation uses a neat stone brick border to define a deep mulch and gravel bed against a white perimeter wall. By keeping the plantings sparse and intentional, it highlights the shape of the lawn and provides a very high-end, manicured look that is extremely easy to maintain throughout the seasons. 6. The rustic rock garden retaining wall. This idea showcases how large, natural boulders can be used to create a tiered gravel garden. The mix of tall grasses and bright perennials tucked behind the rock wall creates a cottage garden feel. It's an excellent solution for homes with a slope, turning a difficult landscape into a beautiful, flowering focal point. 7. Contemporary tiered planter benches. For a truly functional patio, this design uses stacked timber to create both raised planters and integrated seating. The base is lined with dark gray slate chips and white stepping stones, offering a clean and stable surface to walk on. This is a brilliant way to maximize space in a smaller backyard while adding a modern, structured look. 8. The circular tree surround. Turn a backyard tree into a centerpiece by creating a raised circular gravel bed using textured masonry blocks. Filling the center with red mulch or gravel and adding a few shade-loving plants and a bird bath creates a peaceful sanctuary. This design protects the tree roots while adding a decorative element to an otherwise open lawn. 9. The Zen gravel meander. This design is all about geometry and flow. A winding gravel path creates a dry river effect that leads the eye toward a small circular patio seating area. The use of dark mulch in the outer beds provides a sharp contrast to the light tan gravel, making the entire garden look like a carefully planned work of art. 10. The layered brick and stone border. This traditional home benefits from a wide tiered stone border that holds a variety of lush, leafy hostas and bright orange flowers. The gravel mulch within the bed keeps the soil moist for the plants while providing a clean, mud-free edge against the grass. It's a classic look that adds immense curb appeal and character to the house. Creating a patio gravel garden is one of the most rewarding DIY projects you can undertake for your home. It's a design choice that balances practicality with undeniable beauty, allowing you to spend less time working on your yard and more time actually enjoying it. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern desert look or the soft, overgrown charm of a Mediterranean path, gravel provides the perfect foundation for your outdoor dreams. If you enjoyed these patio gravel garden inspirations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly tips on transforming your outdoor spaces. Which of the 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your garden projects. Click the bell icon so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one.